This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Knime data analytics. To begin, download and install the Knime Analytics platform from their official website. Once installed, launch the application to access the workbench. You'll see the node repository on the left, containing hundreds of pre-built nodes for various tasks. The central canvas is where you'll build your workflows by dragging and dropping these nodes. This visual approach makes data science accessible without needing to write a single line of code, empowering you to start analyzing data immediately. Now, let's build your first workflow. Start by dragging a CSV reader node onto the canvas from the I/O category. Double-click it to configure the file path for your data. Next, drag a column filter node and connect its output port to the CSV reader's input port. Configure the column filter to select only the columns you need. Finally, execute the workflow by right-clicking the last node and selecting Execute. This step-by-step process allows you to see the data transformation at each stage. Data preparation is crucial, and Knime offers powerful tools. For instance, use the missing value node to handle incomplete data by replacing missing entries with a mean, median, or fixed value. To ensure consistency, employ the column renamer node to standardize column names across different datasets. If you need to combine information, the joiner node allows you to merge tables based on common keys, while the concatenate node stacks them. These nodes help clean and structure your data efficiently for analysis. With your data prepared, you can move to analysis and visualization. Knime provides a wide array of nodes for machine learning, such as Decision Tree Learner or K-means. Drag one onto your canvas, connect your process data, and configure its parameters. For visualization, use nodes like scatterplot or lineplot to create interactive charts. You can export your results, including models and visualizations, in formats like PDF or image files. This allows you to share your insights effectively with your team or stakeholders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.